Hello friends, today we're making the super easy, better than average lemon pepper chicken wings. If you're new here and you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Stay tuned. We're going to start off with 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. So now we're going to season our chicken. We're going to start off with chili powder, I use chili powder to replace salt, smoked paprika, and some original blend seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and rub this in. Once we get finished rubbing this in, we're going to let it marinate. You can let it sit for at least 30 minutes before you fry it. So now we're going to season our flour and cornstarch. We're going to use some garlic powder, chili powder, black pepper, and some onion powder. Go ahead and stir that up. Mix it up. So now we're going to just put the chicken wings into the flour mix. Cover it up really well. So now we're just going to add it to the hot grease. This is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. So while the chicken is cooking, here I have about 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to add some lemon pepper, and some parsley. Stir it up. This is what's going to kick the flavor up a couple of notches. So now the chicken wings are done. All of them are nice and golden brown.
So now we're going to take the lemon peppered butter and just smooth it onto the wings.
Or you can simply put them in a bowl with butter mix and toss them around. Can you see the butter and parsley and all that goodness?
Turn them over so you can get both sides.
Yes, these are better than your average wings, and they are salt free. Let's eat.